It's the Shebas. Yeah. Look at you. There you go, move there. Ho ho, Sheba. Shebas. Look. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Eh? Oh, she's keen. Aren't you? You're keen. Yeah. Look. Aye, she's keen, aren't you? Oh, was that a fly? Huh? Was that a fly?
You just scared the shit out of Loris.
She went to attack a fly. Did you? Yeah. Oh, are you going to go to sleep? We're going in the car. Eh? Are we going to go in the car, Sheba? We're going in the car. Eh? We're going in the car. Yeah? You're going to go do a bit of squeaking? Come on in. Look, there's bits of bloody toy, little fluffy bits all over the carpet where they've been destroying one. That one there, look at it, bits all over the floor. Yeah, been destroying it. Now what's she looking at? That's what she's looking at. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's eating a bone. It's one of them Nyla bones. Yeah, got them one each. The thing is, the dogs don't seem to realise that you can't chew a bone like this one, like a normal bone. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look. Now she pawed me leg. Yeah. And there's Andy, look her.
Hi, babes.
Yeah.
We need to get a moving and get the jobs done that we need to get done.
There's the Shebas, look her. The Shebas.